Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the best bodybuilding workouts for beginners. If you're new to the gym and want to build muscle, this video is for you. Before we get started, it's important to note that you should always warm up before any workout. This can include a few minutes of cardio or some dynamic stretching. Now, let's dive into the best bodybuilding workouts for beginners. 1. Just the squat. Squats are a great exercise for building leg and glute muscles. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, and lower your body as if you're sitting in a chair. Make sure to keep your back straight and your knees behind your toes. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Next, we have the bench press. The bench press is a classic exercise for building chest and arm muscles. Lie on a bench with your feet flat on the ground and your hands on the barbell. Lower the barbell to your chest and push it back up. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 3. We have the deadlift. Deadlifts are great for building back and leg muscles. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and grip the barbell with your hands. Lift the barbell off the ground, keeping your back straight and your legs engaged. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 4. We have the pull-up. Pull-ups are a great exercise for building back and arm muscles. Grab a pull-up bar with your palms facing away from you and your hands shoulder-width apart. Pull your body up until your chin is above the bar, then lower yourself back down. Do 3 sets of as many reps as you can. Finally, we have the overhead press. The overhead press is a great exercise for building shoulder and arm muscles. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and hold the barbell at shoulder height. Push the barbell overhead and lower it back down. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. And there you have it, the best bodybuilding workouts for beginners. Remember to start with light weights and focus on proper form. As you progress, you can increase the weight and reps. It's also important to give your muscles time to rest and recover between workouts. So aim to work each muscle group no more than twice a week. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when doing these exercises. One mistake is using too much weight and sacrificing proper form. This can lead to injury and prevent you from making progress. Another mistake is not varying your workouts enough. Your muscles need to be challenged in different ways to continue growing. So mix up your exercises and rep ranges. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found this helpful and informative. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.